Rates keep going up. What does that do for the housing market? We're going to go over that today and a few other articles on what's happening here in the mortgage industry. Hello, everyone. My name is Troy, and welcome to Real Estate Daily. Every day we go over the latest news in real estate, mortgage, and the housing market. Now, before we jump into it, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. At the same time, that notification button will notify you when we drop these videos on a daily basis. There's a lot to talk about this week. I know it's a short week. There's only going to be 4 days, and I can't believe it's already September, but it is. And we are going quick and fast and hard in this big month of 2022. Let's jump right into it. CNBC came out and the rates kind of went up today. It says housing market slows as mortgage rates hit 6.25%. Now, those rates are just nationwide average rates. It doesn't necessarily reflect upon each of the markets that we're in, but the point being is that we're seeing rates go up again as they were in June. So with that being said, it's going to slow the housing market down. I know that I went out this weekend and there were people out looking at homes. I wrote offers. I did open houses. So I see that there is people out there looking to get into the real estate market. But I think a lot of people are just kind of sitting on the sidelines as well. So I think that we're going back to that mixture that we had at the end of June, beginning of July. And here's a few more articles that reflect this. Next article is from White Top News. It says, make an offer, something real estate agents haven't said in a long time. And that's exactly what that's been talked about right now with a couple of the properties I went to. I showed my buyers. I'm getting the agents calling me up and they're saying, hey, make an offer. You can't insult me. And when we start hearing those words, then we're absolutely coming into that market where buyers are now in control. So if the buyer is motivated and they're ready to buy right now, they should be starting to take advantage of some of the good deals that are out there. And, if they see multiple homes they like, put offers on both those homes or even more, and then, kind of come in a little less. Or if you have a smart, mortgage lender that you're dealing with, maybe come in at asking and then come back and ask for, 2, 3, 4% in closing costs and then buy that rate down. So there's just several different methods to go at right now, but a buyer is slowly back in control of this market. Next articles from Fortune says, map how fast sellers are slashing home prices in America's 97 biggest housing markets. We're seeing that now. This weekend I saw homes that are going down in price. And it's not like the traditional markets where they'll lower prices every 30 days. I'm seeing a little more aggressiveness out there this time around. And I think that a lot of people are trying to catch the very end of the market or trying to catch the top of the market as it's kind of slowly going down. So they're out there slashing prices every week or two. I know one of my clients just called me today. I've had it on the market for 2 weeks and she said, hey, slash the price. We've had quite a lot of showings actually, just not anyone that's going over the top and writing an offer and sticking it out. And the last thing that we want to go over is the rate. So this rates obviously reflect last Friday. The markets were closed on Monday, so we're not going to see any kind of movement. But last Friday we saw rates kind of trickle down a little bit. Went down a little on the 30-year conforming, 4 basis points. 30-year FHA went down 4 basis points. We did see a fairly large retracement on the 15-year conforming. 30-year jumbo, though, just seems to want to move up. I mean, it's been aggressive now for the past 30 days. It's gone up a whole point in 30 days. Crazy. But that higher end, a lot more banks do not want to take the risk of maybe getting caught in a possible foreclosure market on high balances. So thank you guys for joining us today. I know I'm making it quick and short for you. And I know a lot of you out there have a lot going on after a 3-day holiday weekend, kids back to school, back to work, all kinds of stuff that's happening all over the United States right now. But I am committed to bring you another 5 to 10 minutes tomorrow and the rest of this week. Otherwise, guys, you have a fantastic week and I will see you tomorrow.